Hi there! Whilst I clean my kitchen today, let's talk about credit cards, beginner's edition. So, what is credit card? It is basically a small plastic card that lets you borrow money from a bank to make a purchase. But remember, this is not free money. You have to pay it back. Now, every credit card comes with a limit. That is the maximum amount you can borrow. Use only what you can afford to pay back and always aim to pay it in full each month. That way, you can avoid paying interest, which is the extra money the bank charges you for borrowing from them. Here is the deal. When you use credit card wisely, it can help you build your credit score, which is super important for things like getting a car, loan, renting apartment. Start simple. Only use it for small purchases like groceries, gas, or online shopping. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. And also, don't max it out. Try to use less than 30% of your credit card each billing cycle. Also, choose a card that will give you much more cash back and a card which have no annual fees. I don't want you to be throwing money away. Whilst I'm loading the dishwasher, let's talk about the benefit of credit cards. First, credit card can be used to build your credit history. When you use your credit card wisely, the bank will report this good habit to the credit bureaus, and that will boost your score. That will give you a good score, which can help you wherever you want to make a purchase. Secondly, you will get a reward. Most of the credit cards now give points. Some of them give cash backs, and some even help you to travel, and they will give you a lot of credits when you travel. So, once you are using your credit card wisely, you will be getting cash back, you'll be getting discount from your local store or when you use it to purchase. Thirdly, the credit card is also used as a protection. If someone steals your debit card, that is your real money, your savings that is gone. But with credit cards, you can dispute the charges without any actual money being taken from your account. So whenever you realize that somebody is using your card and that is not from you, if you can show that you are not the one, call your bank, call the credit card company and make sure you dispute it. This will not affect your money. I mean your hard-earned money. Credit card is like a sponge. When you use it wisely and you put in the effort, it will give you a clean and rewarding result. But if you just soak it and you don't use it wisely, you will get bad results. Okay, quick break to clean the sink. Yeah, taking care of the sink. Whilst we clean the sink, let's talk about the dangers of credit cards. Credit cards have a dark side too. It is very common to get into trouble. If you do not pay off your balance in full each month, the bank will charge you an interest, and this will add up so fast. This is how people fall into debt. The first one is the high interest rate the credit card company puts on your credit. So if you did not pay your balance in full each month, you will be paying the interest. This interest can go as high as 30%. Imagine paying 30% every month. The second one is late fee. If you forgot to pay your credit card or if you forget to pay the minimum balance due by the end of the billing cycle, you will be forced to pay late fee. This can quickly add up. Late fee plus interest, and the last one, which is not the least, is the over limit fee. Some people will go withdraw cash. Some people will spend more than the credit limit. All these are dangers to your credit score. So if you miss a payment, try to make sure you pay it as soon as you can. If you did not take care of your credits and your credit score, it's just like a messy kitchen. If you ignore it, it will only get worse the longer you wait. So be smart about your credit card usage. Don't buy more than what you can afford. Use it with discipline, and you will really enjoy the benefits of credit cards. I know someone will ask, so how do I use credit card wisely? Let's talk about this smart habit whilst I clean the counters. Now, the first rule is pay your balance in full every month. That way, you will avoid interest and you keep your finances clean. Secondly, use just below 30% of your total limit. So if you have a limit of 1,000, try to use only 300 at once. And the third one is set up auto pay. That way you will never miss payment. Even when you are too busy, you will be able to make at least the minimum payment. Just like sweeping or vacuuming your kitchen to keep it from becoming a disaster. This habit will keep your credit score looking good as well. Now, let's talk about choosing your first credit card while I hang my kitchen towel. Now, you are aware of the benefit of credit card. As a beginner, choose a card with no annual fee, low interest rate, a card that will give you simple reward, a reward as a cash back. Also, for students, you can use student credit card, or you can also pay to get a secure credit card. Not every credit card is a fit, like how not every cleaner works on every surface. So do your research and compare your option. Pick the best credit card for you. Now my kitchen is beautiful. Do not forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment about what you like about this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.